Hello and welcome to Cisco DevNet YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Kubernetes Summer School and discuss this event with Nico. Hi, Nico.
Hi, Alexei. Hi, everyone.
Good. Could you tell us more about you and Kubernetes Summer School?
Yeah, sure. I'm super excited about this upcoming summer school. It's not the first summer school we've been doing. We like to take the time over the summer to teach and educate engineers about what we do, which is Kubernetes networking, security, and observability at Isovalent. I should start maybe by introducing myself. I'm Nico Vibert. I've been working at Isovalent for over 3 years now. Isovalent was acquired by Cisco last year, so I'm back at Cisco. I'm a network engineer by trade, and now I work in the technical marketing engineering team, creating content, blog posts, tutorials, press release, even writing books about our products, which is next generation software-defined networking for containers and for Kubernetes. And super excited that we get a chance to teach more engineers about what we do over the course of the summer.
Yeah, it's awesome opportunity. And who should attend this summer school?
Well, I mean, it's open to anyone who wants to kind of power up, go up to the next level, and become more familiar about some of our exciting new products and the space of Kubernetes networking. So it's anyone from like platform engineer, SRE, DevOps, and engineers, but also, of course, the networking community. This is a networking product by trade. And what we try to do is really make it easy for network engineers and architects, CCNA, CCNP, CCIEs, to learn about our products. So you don't need to be expert or knowledgeable about Kubernetes. We'll explain some of the basics as well. But if you're already familiar with some of the concepts around like YAML and coding, things that you've learned through the DevNet community, that will help you, because we use a lot of these concepts when we configure and use Kubernetes networking and Cilium. So yeah, open to anyone that wants to really become familiar with the next wave of networking innovation.
Yeah, that's cool. And what it looks like, so users should register to the sessions. You have sessions of 4, and what's next happened?
Yeah, so we've got 4 sessions over the course of the summer, starting with the 22nd of July. And you'll have to sign up to the 4 of them. We cover 4 different topics. So first, we are going to go into our load balancer, which is a brand new load balancer. And it's the first Cisco load balancer since 2012, when Cisco kind of exited that market. So it was announced during Cisco Live San Diego last month, and it's again a brand new load balancer that has layer 3, layer 4, layer 7. We can scale horizontally, all kind of DevOps driven, that can work with Kubernetes, but also outside of Kubernetes, and can be deployed across any clouds. And we were super excited about this new load balancer. And that's the first event in the summer school session. We have hundreds of people already sign up, but we know, again, the virtual campus is open to more, right? We welcome many more of you. So you have to everyone has to sign up to all the 4 different events. Obviously, you don't have to attend all of them, but they all complement each other. It's about understanding how to get traffic in your Kubernetes environment, out of your environment, and observe all the traffic, and just load balance traffic within your environment. So it's kind of 4 complementary topics and we recommend you sign up to the 4 of them to get the most out of it.
Yeah, so we will leave links on register form in the description of these videos. And what makes the summer school distinct from other Kubernetes training programs?
Well, we have been delivering summer schools and online training for quite a few years now. And actually, let me show you the interface if I can. It's using our online labs, super popular. And again, this summer school is not just like a webinar and some slides being thrown at you. It's a practical workshops where you get access to your own environment, deploying your own load balancers, your own applications, and we try to make it quite straightforward. You can see we've got the instructions on the page on the right hand side, and you can follow along. But you'll also be guided by us, the proctors, and we are all part of the technical marketing engineering teams, and there are people who come from networking background and people who come from a DevOps background. So we have a bit of a complementary and can really help you get a lot out of the training. I'm a network engineer. I've got a CCIE, and I went through the transformation from like traditional like a Cisco engineer into like doing network automation first, and now moving on to Kubernetes networking. So hopefully I can help you navigate this complexity, and because it can be a bit intimidating at first. So we try to really teach with empathy, and we have this great online platform that you can use to learn, and we'll provide all the support if you're stuck at any time during the workshop.
Yes, have some opportunity, and during the session, participants are able to chat with proctors with you as well. Yeah.
Absolutely, yes. There'll be and it will be quite a few of us again because we're expecting so many people sign up. There'll be a few more from Isovalent. We'll have James, who's actually wrote the O'Reilly book on networking and security. James Strong, he will be joining us from one of the sessions. We'll have our product manager for the load balancer coming on as well. So we'll have lots of experts coming in and answering any questions, and again try to make what you might see initially as a complex topic something a bit more easier to digest. So plenty of opportunity to ask questions and to learn by working with your peers.
Yeah. Yeah, I have some. Thank you, Nico, for sharing this opportunity with our Cisco DevNet community.
Very welcome, and yeah, we look forward to seeing many of you on at the school.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Okay.